my god, like, if you guys decide to buy a house, be prepared to clean the freaking house. Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, my name is Ismail and you're watching Chekmael Free. So today I kind of am in a guerrilla recording. I like suddenly came home. I just reached home and then I said, okay, I need to record this video because tomorrow I'm expecting my interior designer to come and do a photo shoot. So I have to like quickly decorate the place. I shouldn't have said yes because it is too rushed. I didn't know I have still a lot of things to finish up because you know if you're gonna get people to shoot to shoot your house, you want to get it all together. But the thing is I have things kind of like pushed back because I kind of want to take it slow and like record the process of maybe like setting up this and then setting up that. But since they are coming, so I have to like quickly anyway, so it's kind of like a thrilling thing to say. But okay, so what I am planning to do tonight, it's at night, I'm recording now, is that I want to decorate my floating shelves. I have 3 empty shelves right in front of me. I kind of like have no idea what I'm gonna do, but I've collected some books from my mom's house. I do have some vases that I have yet to unpack. So I'm gonna unbox these vases that I just bought from Island Living. I have some books to decorate with, and then we'll see how it goes. So let's go. Okay, so this means there is an unboxing. Okay, so my favorite scissors from favorite best friend Janita. So okay, so I have this this package from Island Living. It says Asmawi. Who is that? Actually, when I was like planning to decorate the house, one of the Instagram pages that I stumbled upon, I think the concept is kind of like the concept that I like so much, all this wicker and like wood carvings, very Indonesian kind of things. These are like a set of, if you can see, it's a set of 3, I think. Like I like the vases to be like a family. One thing, it's easier to kind of like decorate and whatnot. So I just cleaned the house and there's so many crap. Oh my god, like, if you guys decide to buy a house, be prepared to clean the freaking house. Wow. Ooh. Alamak. Crap. I cleaned the house already. Okay, Janita scissors is a bit inconvenient. My friend watching this must be like, who are you? Ooh. Nice. I love this kind of vases that has like a small opening. It's so beautiful. And then like the bottom here, they put like a protector, be like suede. But this is, I think, soft enough so that it wouldn't scratch your furniture and whatnot. So I think that's a good thing. Yeah. Now it looks too similar already. How, Israel? Are you still happy? Wow, that's nice. A set. Alamak. Wow, so cute. There's some other one. Would it fit this shelf? It has to fit. Make it work. This is so cute. Okay. I bought it during their Christmas promotion, so I got a bit of a discount. So, okay, so the last one. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, it's the same shape. I don't know, maybe I was obsessed with. Look at how beautiful this is. How did they do this? How did they make this? How did they finish it? Mak lawas say. It's kind of all looking too similar, right? Anyway. Okay guys, so these are the things that we are working with. Unfortunately, I do not have a lot of stuff to actually decorate these 3 empty floating shelves here. I think I would need more vases. I'm planning to get more, but I've already made a promise that I won't buy any more stuff. So we'll see what we can do, because a lot of the vases I already decorated on this side. What do you call this thing? A sideboard. So all these things, I think these are from Spotlight, and they come in a set. So I like it like that. But I probably could just put these two bigger ones here, and maybe I can like make use of this for the floating shelves. This is another vase from Island Living. I like that it's like prominent here. I could also take away one of those vases. I mean, like, you know, we can just redecorate and whatnot. So, and then here are some of the other vases that I can also use. The leftovers of my accessories are all like red in color, which I like not so into right now. And then I have some wooden that's scary, right? I also have some wooden frames here. I have this picture of myself waiting at the China airport. I remembered wearing my favorite Gwen Stefani t-shirt when Gwen was cool to me. And then I also have this two pictures on the left. This is a artwork from school. I chose this Chanel ad because it was like the easiest to achieve a more lifelike drawing. And then on the right here is actually my elder brother, drawn by my late father. So I'm gonna like decorate these pictures in my house. This frame is given to me by my best friend in the whole wide world, Janita. So yes. Okay, while I was like fixing this shelves, I realized that I actually like the like monochromatic, is that the word? Like just simple colors like black, white, gray, beige, you know, earth colors. So I decided that I just want to keep it really simple. I was trying to mix with like some wood and some whatnot, and then I don't know, the color just doesn't seem to go. I think the visual merchandiser in me is like, ugh. So let me explain. So I decided to actually separate this new terracotta vases come in three. So I kind of split it up left and right so that it kind of balances out. And then at the top, I decided that I just wanted to put those two white vases because I don't want it to look like I'm like trying so hard to make everything so balanced. So you have like a pair here, and then you have the books here, and then like with the vase at the side, and then here is the book with the vase on top, and then this one with like a frame at the back, and then at the top is just two white vases. So I think for now I really like the colors. I even make sure that the colors on the books here, these menswear books, are like black, white and gray. Even that one, black and white. So I think this is the look that I'm going for right now. So I think yes, I think I did a good job.